Hi. Baby's got the hiccups today, like every day.
Yeah, at least once a day, usually more.
They've calmed down a little bit now, but still pretty good.
That's my baby.
Yeah, all done.